This week, we bring you stories from Eastern Kentucky, remembering the lives lost in last year's historic floods and honoring the work organizations are doing to heal communities.
In Knott County, nearly 30 kids spend a week at Camp Noah. It teaches kids ways to deal with the difficulties of what they went through. Krista Spadaccini is in studio to tell us how these 5 days can have a lifelong impact.
Camp Noah teaches kids the power of hope in communities that need it the most. Thanks to Appalachian Regional Health Care, kids in Knott County as well as Breathitt, Perry, Floyd, Letcher, and Pike counties gain courage and strength in case disaster strikes again.
I was most scared about my brothers because I didn't want them to get in the water.
10-year-old Landon, like many other kids in Eastern Kentucky, has suffered more hardships than someone his age should have to experience. Heavy rainfall tore towns apart. Flash floods forced families to higher ground.
When it happened, I didn't know how to swim.
Many watched their homes wash away. Those are memories of July 27th Landon sketches. What did you draw here? Can you tell me?
It's someone in our family on a house because she had to get on her house to survive. We was all asleep, and our mom saw it, and she was like, oh, gosh.
Landon shares that story with his younger brother, Marshall.
The reason I was super scared because our creek was right next in front of our house. So at any point it can get our house.
That traumatic night is one the two boys and countless other children will never forget. So when the chance to heal came along, the community couldn't turn the opportunity away.
A lot of the kids, they know why they're here because they know that, they were affected by the flood, and they're just smiling and having a good time.
Camp Noah is a nationally recognized 5-day program, free for children who are victims of natural disasters. It helps them process their fear and trauma through traditional camp activities.
I hope that they get that they are loved.
There's even a therapy dog to comfort young campers, taking steps towards a healthy emotional recovery.
It's like a weird feeling because I got it all out of my head, like I'm fine now.
Fittingly, counselors also share the story of Noah's Ark. Just as Noah prepared for a 40-day flood, these children learn survival skills if disaster were to strike again. They each get a bag packed with a flashlight, whistle, and blanket. It's also helpful as the area rebuilds.
We just don't want to be forgotten because it's not better, and it's not going to be better for a long time. And the kids deserve better.
The biggest surprise of the week came from Kentucky State Police. The agency teamed up with Cummins Sales and Service to gift each camper a bike and helmet. Also be sure to watch our station special, Tragedy in the Mountains, Hope and Healing, Thursday at 7 p.m. I'm Krista Spadaccini, Fox 56 News.